Mine buntag bay. So this is my favorite headphones ever. This is the Bose SoundLink. And the thing is, yeah, this one has been bashed around and you can see it's broken and whatever. So mal ka ni siya nako. This is my favorite headphones because the thing is, look at that. It's on ear. Ibutang nako sa kong ear. Butang sa babaw. Mga headphones na kanang around the ear. Mapislat akong dunggan ani, and then usahay init siya, but this ones here are so good. They're on ear, they go on top of my ear, they're comfortable, and I love the sound. Bose has always been a very good sound, and this one's really mocked up. So nipalit ko kanang kuan harness tape, kanang ibutang mo sa kanang harness sa auto, kanang mga kurente. I'm gonna put it around here. It's called pet fleece tape. So this is gonna make this thing look good. Maybe wrap it around, I'm not sure, but yeah, this is gonna look good after I place that there. And also, saka thing is that this one here got ruined. So I just got replacements, and I have extras here because ganahan recording headphones. It's really the best headphones for me. Problem is, it's been phased out. It's not being sold anymore. So I've been looking secondhand. I've been looking at old ones, and I'm trying to save this as much as I can. Also, since dugay na ni siya nako, you see, ang kaning rubber dire. See this one's here? Naluag na siya. So that's what happens when rubber is getting old, or like kung mainitan siya, kung tanan moisture, whatever, yung humidity. Nakiklaro. So kung mainitan na siya, maun sa mamalmal na siya, luag ng rubber. So that's what happened here. Luag siya. You can see in here. Look at that luag. And it's annoying. But the thing is, since daghang kay kong inani, I know how to fix it. This one here, I just cut part of it here and glue them together. So nawala ang tumoy. Mahagpas mo na kung tara. So I cut this part here. Ano siya kadaka? I cut that part from there, and then ako din siyang gisumpay. So pagkat na ko gamay na siya luag, ako din siyang gisumpay na siya luag. Naluag na siya, but di siya luag kay niinat naman siya. So ako siyang gisumpay. So that's how it is. I just mucked up the glue, kaya kung ibutang si babaw, pinakong nindot na down, but di siya down. I'll not do that again. But yeah, since I have this, I keep on fixing it. And again, this is not a sponsored video, but I really love the Bose on-ear 2. And the old one, it's called the Bose SoundLink. I still have the old one. And napag ko ilain sa ubos na murag na guba na siya. In case di na gini siya maguba ni tanan, I'll just get parts from that old one and put it here. So again, this is my favorite headphones. Look at that. It goes on your ear. It's comfortable. And it's dili ka siya duot. But also it goes on top of your ear. Kung around the ear, init siya usahay, like when you're outside and it's hot. Init ang dunggan. It's also ang dunggan is like big and weird. So ibutang na ako weird. But then again, this one's still good. Still taking care of this. I'm using this more because malmal man siya. But yeah, lots of replacements online. This is the old one, not the original anymore. And yes, that's it. Just fix it, keep on going, fix it, keep on going. So yeah, my favorite headphones. Bose on-ear. So akong gibuhat is, ako ni siyang gi-cut. Kani siya, kung ma-focus, kani siya gi-cut na ko from here. So I cut that part there, and then since bumubuot na siya, you just put them together like that. And then glue this part here. Glue. Pwede rubber cement, but I go for glue kay dalimuga. And yeah, got fixed. Quick update from the future. Ako na siyang gitapan. Nindot na siya tanahon. Oh. And then the thing is, ang akong gigamit is kani. So this is not sponsored, but muna siyang ginagamit sa mga auto, kanang underneath sa auto, kanang mga wiring sa auto. Inya muna siya gitape. They call it underbody loom tape. Kani certain brand na niya. I'm not promoting the brand. I just nakapalit lang kani. So it's not a paid promotion or like product placement, but I just got that. Not sponsored. Also taped the whole thing. And I noticed one thing, and I'm mga white diri dapita, which annoyed me because I wanted to be black. So what I did was I used nail polish to cover it. So it's still looks like crap. I can cover the whole thing, but I decided not to. I love these headphones, but kanang daghan kog mga tinakduan nga ri. As you can see, mga tinakduan na kas ang rubber di na kasi mo fit. So I had to cut it. Look, I had to cut both sides there, and I have to cut also another side. Basta cut side here. So daghan kog cuts. Nasa yung mga sablay sa pag-glue, but other than that, it's all good. So yeah, love this thing. Love this headphone. Anyway, moro to. Sige.